Welcome back. So now you should have your template chosen. I'm going to go ahead and my title slide is going to be with the happy birthday Rufus template. I'm going to go ahead and click this because that's what I want to be the intro slide to my presentation. At this point, go ahead and click yours and modify it to customize it to make it fit your needs. So I'm going to change mine to say happy birthday to me. And then I'm going to put my birthday on here somewhere. And then if you want, I like these colors because I like the neon colors. So I'm going to keep the colors. Oh, right there. Duh. That's where my birthday is going to go. I'm going to keep the colors, but if you want, remember to change colors, you simply click on whatever it is you want to change colors to, and then your color palettes are up here. You can click and change all that. You can also change if you don't like certain fonts, or you can change those as well, or sizes. You can change all of that. So again, pause me now and get your intro slide ready to go. Pause. Okie dokie. So you should now have your intro slide. You have now modified, or excuse me, customized it to fit your needs and make it about your birthday. I just went ahead and deleted that one text box at the bottom because I was like, I don't even need that. So I deleted that. Now we're going to do the second slide. If you'll recall, this is the slide where it's kind of like your menu. You're going to have, this is where your clickable buttons are going to be. So I'm going to go over and show you an example of one from one of you guys. It's going to look something like this, where you have the 5 elements of your birthday that are going to become clickable. So when you're looking for which slide option you should choose over here, you're going to look for something that fits your needs. So I'm thinking this one for me is going to be the best. Even though it only has 3 circles, I can add in 2 more circles, and make those my elements. So when you're ready and you pick the slide that's going to fit that the best with your 5 elements, you're going to simply click the plus sign. You'll get a pop-up that says, do you want to replace the current page or do you want to add a new page? We want to add a new page. We don't want to replace the current page because that would be replacing our intro slide that we just did. So we're going to hit add new page. Excuse me. And now you can see down here are my slides. And at this point, I'm going to go ahead and customize to make this fit my needs. So hold please. All right, sorry guys, I forgot what I told you to do here. So for this one, I believe for your title, I told you to put your birthday. And you should put your year if you're comfortable with that. I really don't care, but I want you to if you're comfortable. Actually, I was not born in the 2000s, but I don't need to put my year because that's none ya. And then here it says your touchy subheading. I don't need anything here. I'm going to make these guys, I'm going to get rid of all this text. So again, I am just cleaning these up. Let me not make you watch this. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I'm trying to do better with these videos and not waste your time. But I went ahead and cleaned those up without making you watch because now, in my mind, I'm going to put an image of each of the 5 elements of my birthday. So I'm a Leo. So I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to come over to my elements. You can use the same pictures if you want that you got from Google because I believe you can copy and paste into here as well. But Canva has great stuff, so I'm going to try that. So I'm going to type in Leo, and look, right here is the Leo sign. So I'm going to click it. It's going to go in there. I'm going to make these go, each one of my elements go into one of these bubbles. Okay. Hold on a sec. Okay, so I've got some of this set up for you guys. Added into here. Remember, if it's not the colors you want, so for example, the did you know, I should be able to click that and I could change that to make that fit the colors of my document. My Ruby, I'm not going to change because rubies are red, and so I'm not changing that, but I could change, again, to fit the colors of my document. Now, I am out of placeholders, and I need 2 more because I had 5 elements. So this is where I just got to be creative. I'm going to move my title up. Ooh, I'm using my arrow key, so that's not going very fast. Sorry about that. Slow, slow, slow. I am going to just probably copy and paste one of these guys, Control CV. I'm going to move it over. I'm going to change the color. And I don't know to what, maybe that color. And then I might do another one to make it my 5th one. So you see what I'm doing. I am just making this work to fit my needs. And then I'm going to add in my other two options here. So go ahead and pause me now. Go ahead and get your menu slide together and then come back to me when you're done. Pause.